Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Maricel Medina,
How old are you?
37 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Uh, have
How many kids do you have?
I have 2 kids.
How old are they?
My first eldest is 10 years old, and my
Mhm.
second is 7 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
5 years and 5 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
4 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Kwai Chong.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
570 square.
How many family member there?
There are 3 members.
How many children?
1 only.
How old now?
15 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
My first
Uh-huh.
working to do is cleaning the house. After that, I will go to market, then prepare the foods.
Mm-hmm.
Then 7 o'clock, I will cook the dinner.
Okay.
After that, cleaning the kitchen.
Okay,
And
so what time they eat for the dinner?
8 or 9,
Mhm.
they finish 10,
10 o'clock.
or they finish 9:30 like that.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
11 or 10:30.
Okay, thank you so much.